Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to operate a quick in-depth review about the best AI calling assistant called Botphonic. So let's quickly dive into it. Botphonic is a powerful AI assistant designed for business that need to automate customers outreach, appointment scheduling, together with support calls. It stands out with natural sounding voice, multilingual support, CRM integration, real-time transcript, and sentiment analysis, making it a great for scaling outbound and inbound calls efficiently. So talking about the pro side, which is the good side of this platform, it includes easy automation, scalability, and helpful analytics that save times and reduce manual work. On the downside, pricing isn't fully transparent and performance can vary with complex queries or accents, sometimes sounding robotic. Setup may take effort for teams with custom system, and it will also lack the full human empathy needed for sensitive conversation. Overall, Botphonic is a strong option in 2025, especially for business that wants scalable AI-driven call automation, but just be ready for some limitation in a nonsense and a pricing clarity. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.